Hello students, very good morning. Welcome to Narayana Live Classes. Today for class 7 students, we are going to discuss assignment number 37 on number system worksheet 4. Now let us see the first question. The first question is, a magazine has 60 pages of which 7 by 12 are for advertising, 4 by 15 have only photographs on them, and the rest are for articles and stories. How many pages have articles and stories on them? If you look at that, out of 60 pages, 7 by 12 of the pages are of advertising. So, for advertising, how many pages are used? Advertising means how many pages you have used? 60 into 7 by 12. That is nothing but 12 ones are 12 fives are. That is nothing but 5 into 7, 35 pages. For advertising, how many pages are used? 35 pages are used in the magazine. Next, 4 by 15 have only photographs. Photographs. How many are photographs? Photographs are 4 by 15. That is 60 into 4 by 15. So 15 ones are 15 fours are. That is nothing but 16 pages. So total how many pages we are using now? 5 plus 6 1, and here 51 pages. Already 51 pages are used out of 60 pages. So how many pages are remaining now? 9 more pages. In those 9 more pages, what are there? Articles and stories. Articles and stories are containing 9 pages. Okay. So this is how we have to solve this. So it is a theoretical question. It's a word problem. Whenever you are given a word problem, you have to interpret it in a proper way. Interpretation is very, very important. You have to understand the question 2 to 3 times. You have to read the question. Then you will understand what exactly he is asking us to do. Then we can go for the procedures. The simplification will be easy once you understand the question. Okay. So here the answer is 9 pages. 9 pages is because 51 we have, total 60 we have. 60 minus 51 is 9. So that is nothing but the second option. Okay. Now we'll move to the next question. A vehicle uses 2 by 5, it's a mixed fraction, 2 by 5 liters of petrol in 1 hour. How many liters of petrol will be required to run the vehicle for 3 hours? Okay. So 1 hour, it's in the solution. 1 hour, how much petrol it is consuming? 2 by 5 liters. It is consuming 2 by 5 liters in 1 hour. That is nothing but, if you convert it as an improper fraction, what do you get? 5 2s are 10, 10 plus 2, 12 by 5 liters. So in 1 hour it will consume 12 by 5 liters. So how many hours you have to run? You have to run it for 3 hours. So for 3 hours, how much it will consume? 3 into 12 by 5. That is nothing but 3 12s are 36 by 5. 36 by 5 is again an improper fraction. This improper fraction we have to convert into a mixed fraction. How do you do it? If you divide 36 with 5, we have 7 5s are 35, 1 is a remainder. So 1 by 5 liters. 7 1 by 5 liters means in 1 hour, if the vehicle is consuming 12 by 5 liters, that is otherwise 2 by 5 liters, in 3 hours it is going to consume 36 5 by liters or 7 1 by 5 liters. 7 1 by 5 liters is nothing but the third option. So that is the right answer. Okay. Now we will move to the next question. A man buys a box of fruits containing 286 fruits. Out of these, half of the fruits are apples. Okay. So what is the number of apples? Number of apples is half of 286. Half of 286. That is 2 ones are and 2 143s are. So there are 143 apples in the box. Next. And the rest are pears. So pears are how many? Pears are, rest means remaining half. Remaining half is also same. Or 143 number. Okay, next. 4 by 3 of the pears are rotten. How many are rotten? Rotten pears. Rotten pears is equal to 4 by 13 of 143. 4 by 13th part of 143. How much is that? 13 ones are 13 11 sir. So that is 41. Sorry, 44. 44 are rotten, means they are of no use. He sells a good pears. Therefore, number of good pears. Number of good pears. How many? 143. They are good. The total number of pears minus rotten are 44. So that is nothing but 99. How many are there? There are 99 good pears. So you can sell these 99 pears. At what rate he is selling? He is selling at a rate of 4 1 by 11 each. Each pear he is selling at the rate of 4 1 by 11 rupees 4 1 by 11. So how much money does he receive? So therefore the money he received is money received is equal to 99 into 4 1 by 11. That is 99 into, that is 4 11s are 44 plus 1 45 by 11. That is 11 ones are and 11 nines are. That is 9 into 45. 9 into 45. 9 into 45 is nothing but 405. So rupees 405. So how much money he received in total? 405 rupees. So that is nothing but the fourth option. So how did we solve it? First we have calculated the number of apples. Number of apples is half of 286 fruits. So half of 286 is 143. Rest are pears. If 143 are half, next half also 143. They are pears. In that, how many are rotten? 4 by 13. 4 by 13th part of 143 are rotten. So 4 by 13th part of 143 is 44. So there are 44 rotten pears. They are of no use. So how many good pears we have? Total 143 minus rotten 44. That is 99. So there are good number of pears as 99. Each pear he is selling at a rate of rupees 4 1 by 11. So what is the amount he received? That is nothing but 99, because they are good in condition. So 99 into 4 1 by 11. That is nothing but 45 by 11. If you simplify, you are going to have 9 into 45. That is rupees 405. So we received 405 rupees as a amount at the end. Okay, so that is the right answer. Now let us see the next question. 4 by 5 of 5 kg apples. 4 by 5 of 5 kg apples were used on Monday. So apples used on Monday. The apples used on Monday. How much is that? 4 by 5 of 5. That is nothing but 4 kgs. 4 kgs of apples are used on Monday. The next day, 1 by 3. Next day, 1 by 3 of what was left was used. Okay? Apples used on next day is equal to 1 by 3 of what was left. What was left? Out of 5 kg, we are using 4 kg already on Monday. So more 1 kg is left. 1 kg is left means what? 1 by 3 of 1. That is 1 by 3 kg. 1 by 3 kg of apples are used on next day. Next, what is saying? Weight of the apples left now. Therefore, weight of the apples left is nothing but 1 kg minus used 1 by 3 kg. That is nothing but 1 minus 1 by 3 kg. That is 2 by 3 kg. So now we are left with 2 by 3 kg of apples. So that is nothing but third option. Okay. So according to the given statement, we have taken that out of 4 by 5 kgs, 4 by 5 part is used on Monday. So Monday, how many apples are used now? 4 kgs. Now we are left with 1 kg. Out of 1 kg, 1/3 is used on the next day. So 1/3 is over. Now remaining is how much? 1 minus 1 by 3. That is 2 by 3 kg. Okay. Now we will move to the next question. 3 by 7 of 2 by 5 is equal to 3 by 7 of 2 by 5. That is nothing but 5 7s are 35, 3 2s are 6. 6 by 35. 6 by 35 is nothing but fourth option. So that is the right answer. Okay. That is the end of today's assignment. Thank you. Have a good day.